Project on spam detection and sentiment analysis of COVID-19 tweets. Group members for this project: Bhavana Ankam, Smita Gule, Mayuri Navingikar, Manasi Vaidya, students of Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur, CSE Department. Project guide for this project: Professor Vinit Tribhuvan. Motivation behind this project: during COVID-19 pandemic, government organizations used social media like Twitter to spread awareness among the public and to know the sentiment of people. However, Twitter can be used to spread spam and false information by potential spammers. This may affect sentiment analysis. Hence, we tried to give a solution for this using machine learning classification algorithms and Python packages, which helps us in spam detection and sentiment analysis on non-spam tweets. The approach used to implement this solution includes two phases. First, spam detection, and second, sentiment analysis. For spam detection, we tried different algorithms and took their accuracies and plotted them in a bar graph. This showed us that random forest is giving highest accuracy. So we used this algorithm for separating spam and non-spam tweets. As it was done, we did sentiment analysis with the help of TextBlob and Vadder Python packages. This gave us sentiment as positive, negative, and neutral. This is system architecture of this project. Advantages of this project: this project helps in classifying spam and non-spam tweets, gives true sentiments of legitimate users, helps in reducing spread of false sentiments. Future scope of this project includes working on detection of bots as well as fake news, working on different areas along with COVID. Now we would like to show results of our project. So this is accuracy rate graph. Here in this bar graph, we can see we have accuracies of different machine learning algorithms. And in this, random forest gives highest accuracy of 96%. This error rate graph shows error rate of all these algorithms. Random forest gives minimum error rate. This is result of sentiment analysis on non-spam data. This is shown in the form of pie chart, which is including positive, neutral, and negative sentiments. Now we would like to show you some sample tweets and sentiment analysis by our system. Here, TextBlob and Vadder are used combinedly along with proper conditions. And this gave us following results for these tweets. Thank you.